Hello my beauty maddies, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you my tips and tricks for summer makeup. Tip number one, always wear sunscreen. You cannot forget this process. And if you have large pores, use pore filling primer. This is Japanese drugstore makeup brand Cummings, and it has this texture, smoothing texture, like silicone texture, and it has gold flecks in it. And I use this for sweat proof, heat proof makeup. This is Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation, and I apply this with my hands, fingers, and light sheer layer, and then I set my face with translucent powder like this. And then if I want to have more coverage, then I'll go over this kind of powder foundation. I use bronzer for my eyes and cream eyeshadow or cream highlighter on my lid. That's quick and easy. For glowy look, I'll use Milani Famous, right? Luminoso, and it's kind of like a highlighter and blush 2-in-1 kind of product, so I love that for summer especially. And let me grab my favorite setting spray, Scandinavia, and I spray all over my face and using this fan and just quickly dry my face. And I use waterproof mascara top coat, like, this is also Cummings, from Cummings. This one keeps your lash curled, and it makes your mascara waterproof, batch-proof, sweat-proof. It is really hard to remove, so make sure that you use makeup remover for eyes to remove this stubborn waterproof top coat, but it works very well. That's all about it, and if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. forgot to mention about this trick. Apply small amount of powder onto your T-zone before foundation. It prevents your makeup melting away. It works pretty good for me, so give it a try. the final look today, and I hope you enjoy my video. And if you like my video, then please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and please come again. See you next video. Bye bye.